For years, the camera world has been trapped in a brutal, exhausting cycle. On one side, you have the heavy, clinical, uninspiring workhorses. They are packed with tech, but they feel like blocks of plastic, lacking any soul. You have the massive, viral internet sensations like the X106, which became so hopelessly hyped up that getting your hands on one felt like winning the lottery, forcing people to pay double or triple just to experience that classic, tactile joy of photography. But then something shifted. Fujifilm quietly did something brilliant. They took the exact same powerhouse brain, the identical jaw-dropping 40-megapixel sensor from their most expensive, viral cameras, and they crammed it into a sleek, razor-thin, interchangeable lens body. They called it the Fujifilm X-E5. This isn't just another incremental upgrade. This is a complete repositioning of what a compact, daily carry camera is supposed to be. It is a machine that bridges the gap between pure nostalgic art and raw, uncompromised modern performance. But is it actually the perfect everyday camera it claims to be? Or is it just clever marketing hiding a set of compromises that will leave you frustrated in the field? To truly understand why this camera is causing such a massive stir in the creative community, you have to look at what happens when you hold it. For the first time ever in this specific line, Fujifilm didn't just stamp out a top plate from standard alloy. They took a single solid block of premium aluminum and precision machined it. When your fingers touch that cold, rigid metal, you instantly realize this isn't a toy. It feels mechanical, deliberate, and expensive. It is noticeably solid, yet it weighs just around 445 grams with the battery and card inside. It strikes that rare, perfect balance where it feels substantial enough to inspire confidence, but lightweight enough that you completely forget it is hanging around your neck. They also fixed the biggest complaint of its predecessor by introducing a dedicated, physical film simulation dial right on the top plate. It even features a beautifully cut indicator window. This means you don't have to menu dive anymore. You just click through 20 unique legendary film profiles like Classic Chrome, Reala Ace, or Nostalgic Negative instantly. More importantly, they finally added 3 fully customizable recipe slots right on the dial. Fujifilm openly embraced the community's love for custom recipes, letting you lock in your own custom grain, clarity, and color chrome settings to recall them instantly with a physical twist. But beautiful design means nothing if the images don't hold up. Underneath that gorgeous aluminum top plate lies the absolute heart of Fujifilm's flagship lineup, the 40.2-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, paired with the blazing fast X Processor 5. This is a massive leap forward. Suddenly, you aren't shooting with a watered-down, budget-friendly compact. You are holding the exact same resolving power as the X-T5 and the X106. The level of detail this sensor pulls out is frankly astonishing. You can shoot a wide street scene, crop in deeply on a single person or a distant architectural detail, and still have a tack-sharp, highly usable image. This massive resolution also unlocks a built-in digital teleconverter, letting you instantly get a 1.4 times or 2 times crop straight in the viewfinder without losing your mind over carrying extra lenses. Combined with a native base ISO that drops down to 125, your images remain incredibly clean, crisp, and vibrant, even when shooting wide open in harsh daylight. However, high resolution usually introduces a massive problem.